posted my first video yesterday. Look, I'm 58 years old and I sell used trucks for a living. AI built my wife's entire consulting business in one night. So far, I've had over 400 views, 21 subscribers already. People I've never met from Germany, Canada, all over the world watching. And the number one comment I got, how do I set this thing up? Now, every tutorial I found online assumed I already knew things that I didn't. Had me asking questions like, what's a terminal? What's an API key? What's homebrew? And no, it's not beer. So, I made the guide I wish I had when I was trying to set mine up. No jargon, no shortcuts, just a truck salesman walking you through every single step. Let's talk about it. Before we start, here's what you need. And I promise, it's less than you think. Number one, a Mac computer. I'm using a Mac Mini, the base model. About 600 bucks, that's it. You don't need some $3,000 gaming computer. If you already have a Mac, like a MacBook or an iMac, anything like that, you're good to go. Number two, an internet connection. Well, you've already got one or you wouldn't be watching this, right? Number three, about 30 minutes of patience. That's it. What you don't need is a computer science degree, any coding knowledge. You don't have to be under 40 or to understand any of the words I'm about to explain. If you can follow a recipe, you can do this. Let's go. Before we install anything, let me talk to you about what we're actually doing in plain English. You know Siri, right? Alexa? OpenClaw is like that, but actually way smarter. And instead of living in the speaker, it lives in your computer. I say AI assistant, I mean something that can actually do work. It can actually have real conversations with you, write documents, emails, letters, search the internet, control things on your computer, send text messages, remember who you are and what you care about. And it works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you never have to worry about it calling in sick. That's what OpenClaw is and what you need to get started. Next video, I'm walking you through the actual install, step by step, click by click, no jargon. If you're over 50 and you're curious about AI, subscribe. I'm figuring this out so you don't have to do it alone. I'm Pops, and this is AI After 50. See you next time.